What do you think? How do I look? This is how we should look when we go out for quick errands, for work, for anywhere. So this is highly recommended bag for this current situation. Very handy. It holds everything, although it's very compact, very tiny. This is a must-have right now in my bag. Hand sanitizer, always wear mask, and sunglasses. Well, glasses. This bag is so versatile. You can carry it on your shoulder as a backpack, and also in the front just like a bum bag. This is how I use when I go for grocery shopping. I just use it with one hand. I try to keep one hand as clean as possible so I can go in my bag to get things in and out. One hand I use to work with the stuff around, like if I need to choose what to buy at grocery store. Every time, this is a must-have in my bag. When wearing masks, you not only protect yourself, family, and also people around you. So let's do it together. We are in this together, so let's get over it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, welcome. My name is Lena. I'm doing videos related to luxury, lifestyle, and travel. In today's video, I will share with you a review of my bag, a review of my current favorite bag during this pandemic. I will give you a quick tour of it and what's inside my bag, what I usually take with me in this bag during this pandemic, and also include some mug shots with this backpack. Let me give you a quick tour of this bag. It is Palm Spring mini backpack, very compact. It has one handle in treated leather, also two straps in black color. It is made with monogram coated canvas. It has gold tone hardware with one pocket in the front. This is a newer version, so the zipper is very smooth. It is more exposed compared to the older model. It has one big compartment with the slip pocket in the back, which I rarely use. I'm gonna quickly show you what is in my bag right now. I'm gonna take one by one out so you can see what it is easier. My sunglasses, my 6-key holder, my mini pochette, my hand sanitizer, my gloves and wipes, my mask in here. I have my credit card, drive license, and some cash in here. I don't use my wallet anymore. I think it's better to keep credit card, drive license, and some cash in the zip bag like this. So when I pay or get the change back from the cashier, it is better for my bag. I usually keep few masks in here just in case my mask get dirty or I drop my mask on the floor. So I have few in here. I keep it in a separate zip bag, as well as gloves. I have few pairs in here. Also the wipe. I forgot to mention my phone in my bag too. I usually have it out. So just in case I have my phone on the counter or somewhere, then I have this wipe to wipe it clean. For my mini pochette, I usually keep the floss in here or a lipstick. But you know, since wearing mask, I don't need to put the lipstick on, but I have some snack in here, and also the eye drop just in case. I always have this bottle of oil in my bag. It's tiny, but it helps a lot. Like bug bite or stomachache. This is deep penetrating relief oil. It is really good. I take with me everywhere, especially when you are hiking and you get bug bite or picnics or anything. It helps. Also, I have floss and also gums and Band-Aid and extra wipes in here. Yeah, so these little things always in my catch-all mini pochette. And of course, this key holder has to be with me. I can't leave the house without the car key. So always my car key, house key, and some reward card in here. I love this foaming hand sanitizer, always in my bag. You see how tiny this bag? It holds a lot. It can even hold the regular size water bottle. Let me show you. Look at this. If I take this bag with me out for hiking, then I have this water bottle inside. I also need the 6 key holder, the hand sanitizer, credit card and drive license, and the mask. I'm gonna leave the mini pochette at home, so just take what I need for the hiking only. I got this Palm Spring mini backpack just for a few months, but it is my lifesaver, especially in current situation. It is so versatile. I could use this bag in so many different ways, and it holds a lot. It is so practical because it is in dark color with the threaded leather straps in black and the handle. It is absolutely carefree. I don't have to worry about taking this out for hiking, even put it on the floor. It doesn't have feet, but you don't have to worry about it getting scratched or dirty. It is treated leather. So with the hiking, even when I'm sweating a lot, I don't have to worry about the color of the leather because no vachetta pieces. And with the smooth zipper, it is so convenient because I only need to use one hand. At first, I order everything online, even for grocery. I order the same-day service from Walmart or Kroger. Most of places offer same-day service, so I could order from online without going out shopping myself. But lately, I went out by myself because everyone stopped wearing masks, and hand sanitizer is provided almost everywhere I go to, like IKEA or Costco or even Asian market. So you feel safer going out, but of course with the mask and the glasses on, it'll be safer. And because of those, to protect my family, I need to protect myself first. I do need something handy, something compact, something with friendly opening and carefree. And this is it, Palm Spring backpack. It is casual and functional, so I take it with me everywhere I go for the past few months. I got a lot of use out of it. So every time I go out for quick errands or hiking, I'm just gravitated toward this bag. And because of the dark color with the threaded leather, even with the hand sanitizer or the wipes, it doesn't really affect the color and the material. Also, it is canvas, so it's super light. It is very light. Even you fill up the whole bag, it is still very lightweight. But I don't really recommend you to stuff little things in here because the interior is dark. So it's just like a black hole. So if you put a lot of little things in here, it is very difficult for you to get things from the bottom. You have to dig your hand inside to really look for it. So I usually just put little things in the mini pochette or the zip bag or just few things. So especially nowadays, you don't want to get your hands without hand sanitizer in and out. You better keep your thing neat and organized in this bag. One of the cons about this bag is the front pocket, in my opinion, because it has very tight opening with the zipper. It is very hard for you to try to get things in and out. I mean, you can fold your cash and put it in here, or some little thing like hair tie, or some even coins in here, but it is very, very difficult to get it out. So it's just like a nice feature added to the bag, just to decorate the bag. And also this loop is for scarf, but I never put anything in here because you don't want your scarf to dangling around and your scarf may get dirty. So I never put anything here, but you can decorate it with something like little trolleys or some charm if you want. I know that this Palm Springs mini backpack came out a few years ago, but I just got it for past few months and I love it so much. It is one of my favorite and definitely my current favorite during this pandemic. I would highly recommend this backpack for your collection if you haven't got it. If you think it is too small, you may reconsider because it holds everything you need for the day out. And it is lightweight, it is friendly opening, it is so versatile, and this is absolutely carefree. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell below to get notified every time I upload a new video, which will be every week. If you already did, thanks for coming back. I would love to have you join in my journey here and also on Facebook and Instagram. I'm looking forward to see you back in my next video. Have a fabulous day and a beautiful life. Bye now.